Mapping Company Commander Carl Matthew and Ablan. Mapping Company XO Carl Joshua Pandes. First Platoon Leader B. Sister Santa Cruz. Second Platoon Leader Riza May Pusuga. School Head Dr. Francia T. Buffet, Principal Junior High School. Mrs. Ninita T. Andalis, Principal Senior High School. CCP Mapping Facilitator Mr. Jonathan P. Huerno. Miss Marisol D. Mendoza, Assistant CTP Mapping Facilitator. Major Coordinator Mr. Cesar Di Mabayaw, Mr. Marvin Betarjo. DBCDLC Coordinator Mr. Jonathan Tasara, Jomel Valeros. Attorney Emmanuel Ortega, University President. Entry number 21, University of St. Anthony San Miguel, Iriga City, Camarines Sur.
Last contingent sa category 3 and 4 para sa CTP DRRM Company minus boys and girls, University of St. Anthony CTP Unit, Iriga City. Ayan, shout out sa mga patuloy na nanonood sa One Media TV 48 Naga. Shout out sa 1.7k viewers kay Ves Elano Monge, Venus Marasigan, Samantha Francia, Monica Tambobong, Mark Dennis Bernales Bolivar, and Lyra Maureen Salazar Alcanzo. Happy viewing po.
Thank you very much. Entry number 21, the University of St. Anthony, San Miguel, Iriga City, Camarines Sur. And that was our last entry for the second Bicol Region CTP DRRM Mape Parade Competition. Alaga di ko mapunin masunod.